Okay, so a basic design for a natural shelter. I've got a stockpile of wood here. They're all quite small in length, but I'll just show you the kind of thing that I would use for children. So getting a couple of decent size, we can fit these together to make an A-frame. First of all, that A-frame, like so, can be supported like this, with a piece from the back. I mean, you can always, balance like this, but honestly, I prefer to just use some shear lashing to make sure that it's in place. So just use some cord or string. Using my knots and lashing these together in a stable position. Take it this side. And obviously with using larger pieces as well than we can use for children to hide and play in. A great kit shelter. But this is the sort of thing that I've done in my setting with the children, just teaching them basics of shear lashing, as well as how we can use any of the fallen branches that we have lying around. It's been great play base for them, and they've loved using their imagination of who they're making a shelter for. Okay, and like this, just keep going round and around and making sure that it's secure in all directions. That's it. And then, like with a timber hitch, wrapping that around the loose end. Just your working end there, 3 or 4 times to secure, like that. And then of course you can just use some smaller branches, like so, against the back. These pronged ones are quite good for giving more stability, like that. And just piling up as you go around. You also find this kind of branch from the horsetail tree that we have a lot of here is quite good for coverage as well. So like so, gives a lot more coverage around. And of course, the bigger the branches, the bigger the shelter you can make. Okay, and then you can just keep building and building so that you can see entrance to the shelter at this side, and we'll just keep building up till we have more coverage around the outside. And my stock pile of horsetail tree. Like so. And we can have some more pattern to it. That's better. And just keep going around and building like so till you've got your finished product.